Hello friends, this is from Veda Tutorials Dharwad. I am your Lakshmi Kusuji. So in previous class we discussed about the blueprint of the SSLC maths. So today I am going to start new lesson, that is the real numbers. So based on this chapter, you get the 5 marks questions in your final exam. So today let us discuss about the real numbers. What are the important points? What are the basic points of the real numbers? Today in this class we are going to discuss. So before starting the real numbers, so let's see some basic part of the number system. So let's start the class. Okay, students, note down some points I'm going to discuss here. So those points are here. Just see. So what is the first point? When we going to start our number system here, you know the some numbers. So the starting numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 to 9, these numbers are called Hindu Arabic numbers. Because why these are numbers are called Hindu Arabic? Because these numbers are found by Indians and in all over world introduced by the Arabians. So mixing of this, we call these numbers 0 to 9 numbers we call Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay. Now in these numbers there are many types of numbers are there. Already in your previous years you learn these types of the numbers. Let's see some revise this one. So first type is natural numbers. So you know natural numbers means the counting numbers are called natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. So natural numbers are denoted by n. The natural numbers are denoted by n. So which are the natural numbers? Which are the counting numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So these numbers are called natural numbers. Next, second type is whole numbers. The second type is whole number. The set of 0 and natural numbers. This is the group of natural numbers. It includes natural numbers also and including 0. This set is called whole numbers. The whole numbers are denoted by W. The whole numbers are denoted by W. So the which are the whole numbers here? 0. The whole numbers are started by 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So in again here many types are there. So that is even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers you know. So the multiples of the 2 are the numbers which are divisible by 2 are the multiples of 2 are called even numbers. The even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Now next odd numbers. Odd numbers means what? The numbers which are not multiples of 2, not divisible by 2. Those numbers are called here odd numbers. The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. So again here prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers and composite numbers. What are the prime numbers? What is the definition of the prime numbers? Prime numbers means here the numbers which have only two factors. The numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, means it has 1 means that number comes in one table and itself table, it comes in itself table. So example is 2. 2 has two factors 1 and 2 because these multiples of 2 is 1 and 2 only, and like that 3, 5, 7, so 11. So these are called prime numbers. Next, composite numbers. Composite numbers means the numbers which have more factors. The numbers which have more factors. So examples are 4, 6, 8, 9, so on. Now see 4. What are the factors of 4 here? The factors of 4 here 1, 2, 4. Yes, it has 3 factors. So these numbers are called composite numbers. Now next move to the integers. Integers means it is the set of positive and negative numbers. It is the set of positive and negative numbers, and it is denoted by Z. It is denoted by Z. So what are the integers here? So integers, it has negative numbers also, means -1, -2, -3, and positive numbers also, like +1, +2, +3, so on, and including 0. The middle number is here 0. When you see the number line of the integers, see the middle is 0 is there, and this side you get all positive numbers, and these are all negative numbers. Negative number integers are denoted by Z minus, and positive integers are denoted by here Z plus. But 0, it is neutral. It is not a positive number and it is not a negative number. Okay. Now let's move to the next point, that is rational numbers. Already you studied in your previous years rational numbers. What are rational numbers? In the form of P by Q. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, and P and Q are here integers. P and Q are here integers, and Q is always not equal to 0. If Q is 0 means that is not a rational number. So that's what here, Q is always not equal to 0. So rational numbers are denoted by Q. The rational numbers are denoted by Q. So what are the rational numbers? The rational numbers examples are 2 by 5, 6.7, square root of 4, minus 38 by 10, so on. So these all numbers are called here rational numbers. Now let's see the irrational numbers. I think you studied in your 9th standard. Irrational numbers. The numbers which are not in the form of P by Q, and here also Q is not equal to 0. These are not in the form of P by Q, but here Q is not equal to 0. Means the numbers which are non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring decimal numbers. So these numbers are called here irrational numbers. Non-terminating means what? Non-terminating, it not finished. The decimal number is not finished, and sometimes it repeats. Sometimes the same decimal number is repeats. It has continuation. There is no stop. There is no end. So those numbers are called here irrational numbers. Those decimal numbers are irrational numbers. So the irrational numbers are denoted by I here. So the examples of the irrational numbers are root 2, root 5, root 2 by 3, root 2 by root 3, or root 2 by 3 is also irrational number. 2.3, that dot pi. Pi is also 22 by 7. This is also irrational number. So next, the last point is, now we are going to learn this year that chapter is real numbers. So the real numbers means what here? The real numbers means the set of rational and irrational numbers. Means here the real numbers means it contains all the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Those numbers are called real numbers. So the real numbers are denoted by R here. So the examples of the real numbers means you take the example from rational numbers and irrational numbers. Those examples are called here real numbers. These are the main types of the numbers. Now see what is the relationship between these numbers. What is the relationship between these numbers? I'll show you one picture, one figure here. You come to know what is the relationship between these. So see here. Okay. So this is the set. So this is called union. Union means united. That is. Okay. Union. So now see here. What is the relation here? So middle here natural numbers are there. N means natural numbers. So natural numbers, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Next comes whole numbers. Whole numbers means what is this? It contains 0 and including natural numbers. So this set, this is whole numbers. Okay, W. Next comes Z, means integers. Integers contains all natural numbers also, including 0 also, means whole numbers also, and some negative numbers also. This is integers. Next comes what? That is rational numbers. Rational numbers means it contains all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. This set is called rational numbers. Now see, irrational numbers are separated here. Irrational numbers are separated. So irrational numbers means root 2, root 5, root 8. So these numbers are called here irrational numbers. So the set of these all numbers is called real numbers. The set of these all numbers are called here real numbers. So I think you understood the basic points of this lesson. So I think you understood these points. So whatever these points are there na, these are very helpful to solve the real numbers. So in this class, in this session, I'll stop this much only, and whatever next part is there, next real numbers part is there, I'll continue next session. I thank you very much.